Good afternoon, friends. My name is Dipali Arungavai, Government B.Ed College of Kola. I am learning in B.Ed second year. In semester 4, internship, we have teach on your Jizau Girls School Akola. So, students, in today's class, we have teach on standard 8 standard, and today the subject that we have teach, it is English subject. So in English subject today we have teach the prose. The unit for today is prose, and in this unit prose today we have teach the sub unit or the topic for today. But before teach the sub unit or topic, I would like to ask some questions to you. Students, can you tell me which is our national animal? Tiger, yes. And which is our national game? Hockey. So, hockey is our national game. Can you tell me which is the most popular game in India? Yes, that is cricket. Okay. Can you tell me who is played, which game that the Saina Nehwal played? Yes, very good. That is badminton. Okay. So students, can you tell me which is the most popular badminton player in India? PV Sindhu. Okay. So very good. That is PV Sindhu is the most popular badminton player in India. Okay. So student, in today's class we have also discussed or talked about PV Sindhu, the latest badminton player. So the topic for today, that is PV Sindhu, a icon of success. Okay. So PV Sindhu, the subunit for today, that is PV Sindhu. Again, it is called as a icon of success. So student, today we are going to learn the topic that is PV Sindhu, the icon of success. So it is the great achievement for a PV Sindhu, that is, it is called as a achievement. It is called as a icon. It has become a icon of success. So that is PV Sindhu, icon of success. So student, again, don't waste time, and now we are going to learn the subtopic for the today, that is PV Sindhu. Okay, so that is the 4.2, PV Sindhu, a icon of success, on the page number 80. So we have start the test lesson, PV Sindhu, an icon of success. So here are the lesson related to PV Sindhu. Okay, so firstly we have see the first paragraph of the lesson, PV Sindhu, an icon of success. PV Sindhu, or it is Pursula Venkata Sindhu, the full name of PV Sindhu, because in PV Sindhu P and V is a short form, but the long form of P means Pursula and V for Venkata, and that is Sindhu. PV Sindhu yani Pursula Venkata Sindhu is an ash shuttler. It is an ash shuttler and silver medalist in 2016 Rio Summer Olympics. Okay, so why we learn the PV Sindhu? Because she is a silver medalist in 2016 Rio Summer Olympic. It is also a ash shuttler. This young badminton player from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so PV Sindhu, which game she played? She played a badminton. Okay, and which state that the PV Sindhu belongs? She belongs from Andhra Pradesh. The young badminton from Andhra Pradesh was born to a volleyball players P.V. Ramanna and P. Vijaya. So P.V. Ramanna is the father of P.V. Sindhu, that is P.V. Ramanna, and he is a very well known a volleyball player, and his mother name is P. Vijaya. In a year 1995, okay, she is born in 1995. Her father was honored with Arjuna Award because his father is also has a sport spirit. So his father was also honored with Arjuna Award for having displayed excellence in the sport. Means that PV Sindhu have a sport background because his father is also a volleyball player. He also honored by Arjuna Award too. So PV Ramanna and P Vijayas give a beautiful girl named PV Sindhu. She is a badminton player. One of the youngest and talented badminton player of the contemporary times, Sindhu has featured in top 10 world badminton ranking for the most part of 2014. In the lesson, students, we have discussed about PV Sindhu, a great badminton player. She is youngest. We all know about that because she get a silver medal in 2016 Rio Summer Olympics. And his father name is P.V. Ramanna, mother name is P. Vijaya. His father is a volleyball player and it is also honored by Arjuna Award. One of the youngest and talented this badminton player P.V. Sindhu of contemporary times. Sindhu has also features top 10 badminton player. It is also calculated in top 10 badminton player in the world for the most part of 2014. In the year of 2014, she is calculated in a great or top 10 badminton player in the world. So that is the family background of PV Sindhu and its work. Now we have learned details in the next lines. So firstly we have read the lines and then we have explained it loudly. PV Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8 after she drew inspiration from Pulela Gopichand's victory. Pulela Gopichand's victory in All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. That's the reason why she chose badminton over volleyball, although her parents were professional volleyball players. Her initial apprenticeship started with Mehboob Ali at the badminton court of Indian Railway Institution of Signal Engineering and Telecommunications in Sikandarabad. Later, she joined Pulela Gopichand's Badminton Academy for further enhance her sporting skill. So here in the next lines that describes how the PV Sindhu are attracted to the badminton because his both parents, his mother and his father, is also a professional volleyball player, but she choose a volleyball. She attract to the badminton. PV Sindhu started badminton from the age of 8. Means when she was just 8 years old, she chose to play a badminton. After she drew inspiration from Pulela Gopichand's victory. All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001. In 2001 year, when Pulela Gopichand's academy, he was victory in England Open Badminton. When he heard about that, then she attract for the game of badminton and she choose that she become a professional badminton player. And that's the reason why she chose badminton over volleyball, although her parents were professional volleyball players. Her initial apprenticeship started with Mehboob Ali at the badminton court. Mehboob Ali, actually it's the name of a badminton court of Indian Railway Institution of Signal Engineering and Telecommunications at Sikandarabad. And later PV Sindhu means she joined Pulela Gopichand's badminton academy to further enhance her sporting field. Then she get a professional knowledge of a badminton, then how it will be played. That this basic knowledge she get from Pulela Gopichand's badminton academy. Next, that is early success. Here we have discussed early success of PV Sindhu. Sindhu's first major recognition come in the form of 5th SARO All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. She also won the singles title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. In the under 13 category, Sindhu owns double title of International IOC All India Ranking, Krishna Khaitan All India Tournament, the Sub Junior Nationals and All Indian Rankings in Pune. At the 51st National Schools Game in India, Sindhu won the gold medal in under 14 category. Means the career of the PV Sindhu is started from his childhood. When she was just 8 years old, she chose to play a badminton, and when she also get ranking when she was under 10, means in her childhood she was started to playing a badminton. Then again here I say he also owns badminton doubles in under 13 when she was just 13 years old. Means in his childhood, means before a 14 years old, she owned many doubles and singles ranking in a badminton game. That's mean he was in his childhood she was perfectly attracted for the game of badminton, and he shows his record and his success that she was a best badminton player in the world. In a next line, there are perform Sindhu's debut and performance at international level. That's in a early stage we have see the performance of PV Sindhu in his childhoods or under 14 in national level or state levels, school levels. But now we have seen his first debut in international level. Sindhu's debut and performance at international level. Look at this. That is, PV Sindhu didn't take much time to launch or establish herself as a promising player in a global arena. She won a bronze medal at 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo. In a international, in a state level, she was very famous, but in international level, she can't perform herself very well in a global area. So that's why in 2009 Sub Junior Asian Badminton Championship, which is held in Colombo. In this championship, she get a bronze medal. Bronze means that is the number third medal. First one that is we all know that is gold medal. Second one that is called as a silver medal, and number third rank get a bronze medal. So in a sub junior Asian Badminton Championship, which is held in Colombo. In this Colombo's Badminton Championship, PV Sindhu in 2009 she get a bronze medal. That's why she is not satisfied about her game. The star player bagged silver in the women's single at Iran First International Badminton Challenge in 2010 and found in the place of national team at 2010 Uber Cup. In 2009, she get just as a bronze medal, but then she get a silver medal in Iran First International Badminton Challenge in 2010 and also found a place and also get her place in national team in 2010 Uber Cup. Next, that is the PV Sindhu recent recognitions, means in a recent time what she was get and which medal they get, which championship she win, which medals that she get. On 7 July 2012, Sindhu won Asian Youth Under 19 Championship. So in 2012, she become a great achievement, that is she won Asia's Youth Under 19 Championship. Sindhu's performance at Malaysian Open 2013 made her win the maiden Grand Prix gold title. In 2013, PV Sindhu get Grand Prix gold title. So here students, we have seen there are so many points we can collect about the PV Sindhu's life. That is PV Sindhu she is born on 1995. Okay, that is the date of birth of PV Sindhu. Her father PV Ramanna and her mother P Vijaya. Okay, her father and mother both are the volleyball player. But PV Sindhu chose badminton at the age of 8 when she was just as 8 years. In just as 8 years, she chose to play a badminton, and also she get many championships, she many prizes, many medals. Firstly, first medal that is we say it is a gold medal. Okay, so gold medal we can get for the position of 1 when we are first in any matches, that we get a gold medal. Number 2, it is called as silver medal. And number in when we get a third position, it is called as a bronze medal. Okay, so that is the mainly the three medals, that is gold, silver and a bronze medal for the achievement of any type of sport, any type of sport that we get. So that is the PV Sindhu's life. The best moment in her career perhaps come in the same year when she became India's first medalist in women's single at the Badminton World Championship. So in 2013 she get a best moment in her career that she become of India's first medalist in women's singles at the Badminton World Championships. PV Sindhu ended 2030 on a happy note by winning Macau Open Grand Prix gold title and also won the Arjun Award, one of the highest honor for the sport person in our country. We all know Arjun Award is a highest award for any sport person, and in 2013 PV Sindhu get the Arjun Award for his best or great excellence in this badminton game. In 2014, she won back-to-back medal in the World Badminton Championship and become India's first to do that. Back-to-back medals she get in 2014, and she has become the India's first woman that get badminton's medal one by one. In 2015, she bagged successive women's single title at the Macau Open Grand Prix gold also, and we all know that is the secret history. In 2016 when she get a silver medal in Rio Summer Olympic. So that is the successive life of a PV Sindhu. That's why it is called as PV Sindhu, a icon of success, because she get success one by one and she become a successive badminton player in not just India, in the world also. So student, that is a very important, expensive and a very motivational life story of a PV Sindhu, that is Parsula Venkata Sindhu. Okay, so I hope students you all understand, enjoy and listen the lesson related to PV Sindhu's life, that is PV Sindhu, icon of success. So in the last 2 minutes we have revised the story of PV Sindhu. We all know PV Sindhu, she is born on 1995. She is belong in Andhra Pradesh. Her father PV Ramanna and her mother PV Jaya both are the volleyball player, as well as his father PV Ramanna also honored by Arjuna Award. Arjuna Award, it is the finest or highest award in our India for any sports person. So her father is also honored by Arjuna Award, and later some years PV Sindhu also awarded by the Arjuna Award for his excellence in badminton player. She chose to play badminton in just 8 years old. He get many medals, and he also won many championships in under 10, under 13 and under 14. But the great achievement when we get world's best badminton in under 19, and that's we know when we create history in 2016 when she get a silver medal in Rio Summer Olympics. That's why it is called as a icon of success. So that is the story of PV Sindhu. I hope students you all understand, enjoy and you motivate for the story of PV Sindhu. Okay, can I erase it? Okay. Okay, just 2 minutes we all mention the points. Okay, so students, Now write down the assignment. Homework for a student. What are the positive characters? What are the positive character traits of PV Sindhu? So that is a question assignment for you. Okay. What are the positive characters traits on PV Sindhu? So that is the homework for you. So I hope students you complete your homework and show me on tomorrow's lesson. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.